Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I want to show you how to use our new Help Center that we just added to the Runnit platform. Let's go ahead and log in real quick. So in the past, our Help Center was accessible in the top right up here. On the RunDiffusion side of the house, on our open source applications, it's still available in the top right, but I'd like to show you where it is now on the Runnit platform, and in the future, we may do something similar on our open source side of the house as well. So let's begin here. Go ahead and click on the question mark here, the help button. And this will give you your help center, which has a Runnit platform overview, how to use RunDiffusion, and of course a learn more option, how to use our amazing guides and tutorials. So let's start over here. You can manage your plan. With that option there, you can, upgrade your plan as needed or add more funds to your account. Here we have a feature request option. Now this will go to our Discord and we have a feature request channel. Please let us know if there's something that you'd like us to add. I do check that every day for the team. We have a RunDiffusion Masterclass if you'd like to sign up for that to get a head start in your AI journey. Now below that, we've got community support. This again will point you to the Discord channel where you have a very helpful community trying to help you and answer a lot of your questions. We also have our guides and tutorials here. This video here actually shows how to use that website, and this is a great way to access it. And I do recommend checking that out. We post new things every day. Before we get into the help tickets, let's go over here. We have frequently asked questions that you can look at, and you just click on them, and it'll give you a little drop down. Okay, let's go ahead and create a ticket real quick. So first things first, you'll have a little AI bot here come to screen you. Let's just make up a thing. This is Adam. I'll put that here. That way the team doesn't think a new ticket's coming in. Can you help me? I have a bad gateway. Okay, so what this does is first thing it'll do, the AI bot here will give some possible solutions. And obviously these three here don't have anything to do with the bad gateway, right? So we're going to say, do you still need additional help? Yes, we do. All right. Billing issue, Runnit boards and apps, or RunDiffusion apps and servers. Since I said bad gateway, that's going to be the RunDiffusion apps and servers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I don't really have a problem creating a walkthrough. Well, I should say video, right? There we go. Okay, so at that point, the bot will then take the ticket and send it over to the support department, and our team will then review your ticket and try to help you, and it'll go from there. Okay, just so they don't waste their time there. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. Very straightforward. I just click again on create a ticket there. And if you'd like to use the community support option, go ahead and do that. These options here, I always recommend first because tickets are usually for things that are serious, like your server's not loading, you've got a bad gateway, um, a tool sent back a black image, you didn't get the image you wanted. Things like that, definitely create a ticket. We want to help you. And of course, billing issues, we're here for you for those. However, if it's just maybe a simple question like, how do I create Studio Ghibli style art? You're going to want to go over to their guides and tutorials. It'll have that for you. And this video here will show you how to do that, okay? So we appreciate you, and we really are happy that you're using our site and you're enjoying yourself. And we're sorry if there ever is a problem, but if there is a problem, please come to us. We'd like to help take care of it so you can keep using the platform. Have a great day, everybody.